Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Stack, your go-to place for everything programming, software, and tech. In this video, I'll show you how to install Python on a Windows system, step by step. If you're just starting out with coding or setting up your development environment on Windows, this guide is perfect for you. We'll download Python, go through the installation settings, and make sure everything is working properly so you can start writing Python code right away. Let's jump in and get Python set up on your Windows machine. Open the browser which is available on your Windows system. Type Python in the search bar and press the Enter button. Click on the official Python website. On the Download menu, click on the Download Python button to get the exe file. Once the file is downloaded, open the file by clicking on it. Now, make sure to check both the boxes shown below, especially the one that says, Add Python to Path. This is really important. Once you've selected them, go ahead and click on Install Now to begin the installation. This might take a minute, so please wait patiently until the installation is complete. Just sit tight and let Python do its thing. Great! Python has now been successfully installed on your system. To verify the installation, open the command prompt. Type Python ---- version and press the Enter button. You should see the installed Python version displayed on the screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like,